A leading London dentist claims current orthodontic methods sometimes straighten the teeth, but they then ruin the face.
I could not believe someone could put that in a child's mouth.
You might call that child abuse. I would call it training.
Orthodontic treatment flattens faces. In reality, it pulls them back. Better to try and enlarge the jaws to take the whole lot forward, which also provides room for the teeth.
My mouth did change. I mean, the gap in the front of my teeth wasn't there anymore. I felt far more confident about smiling, so it was wonderful for me. It was the best thing I could ever have done.
It was my objective to get something to go viral, but I was not expecting the mewing thing.
Mewing has changed my life. I look better, I'm healthier, I'm fitter.
Mike Mew, I think, has cracked the case.
That is crazy. Is that real?
Yes.
Yeah. You do have a very good jawline.
I tell you what.
Yeah, you see?
Well, my goodness me.
It's revolutionary. It's going to transform the world.
I've been expelled from the British Orthodontic Society.
When's this whole legal mess going to be over, Mike?
It runs for 4 weeks. Murder cases are only usually 2 weeks. They're going to decide whether or not to take my license away.
I have my license to practice dentistry removed.
John Mew actually doing a study on twins doesn't exist.
You are going up against what seems to be this tidal wave of orthodontists.
It's almost like a kind of information warfare that they're levying against you.
I know I'm right. The orthodontists are absolutely sure I'm wrong. Most people are severely deformed. It's a terrible thing to say, but it's really true. The development of our face has gone wrong. We are no longer very beautiful.
What was the worst part of the treatment?
My job is to create beautiful faces. And anything you can do to make the face better is the right thing. People say, John, you create the best faces in the world. The problem is I'm too far ahead of everybody else.